Good evening, Southeast Texas. Looking at locally heavy rainfall over towards Deweyville, but the shower over towards Pinewood and back over in and around Sour Lake beginning the weekend. This is pretty much the ball game in town, if you will, between Buna and also Deweyville. Some locally heavy rainfall. Quite a bit of lightning over towards Buna earlier, and also, as you can see, over towards Deweyville, some locally heavy rainfall there. These are not moving very quickly, so a good inch is possible. Could see some minor street flooding, and we've seen some pretty heavy amounts across Southeast Texas, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in some of the stronger cells, and that came down very quickly. It's one of the reasons that we have seen some minor street flooding over towards, let's see, Phyllis Lane. This is courtesy of Andrew Roach near 105 and Major, and we expect more in the way of scattered showers and thunderstorms this weekend. Look at that, blue skies over in Port Arthur. How about that for Southeast Texas weather? Storming in Deweyville, but nothing over in Port Arthur, and 82 degrees on the Medical Center of Southeast Texas Victory Campus Skycam network. So scattered showers and thunderstorms expected this weekend. Much wetter coming up Monday and Tuesday, and then a cold front expected with a beautiful end of the week forecast. We're at 79 in Mauriceville, Lynn it's 87. In Hampshire, Tim reporting 84 on our Weather Watcher network, and in Woodville, Travis at 87 after a high of 89. In Warren, Jim reporting 88. And where it's rained, temperatures are cooler into the 60s and lower 70s up in the northwest Texas. Otherwise, Austin at 92, back over to Laredo at 91, Houston at 82, and 67, though, up over towards Lubbock. And you can see why. Scattered showers and thunderstorms up in northwest Texas is due to upper-level disturbance, and showers over our area due to daytime heating, but they're saying what rain over towards Austin and Del Rio, back over into Laredo. Futurecast showing those widely scattered showers winding on down, we think, as we head towards later tonight with the loss of daytime heating. Looks pretty good in the morning if you got plans maybe for the Spindletop Spin. Temperatures by noontime already into the mid-80s, and we're going to go with about a 40% coverage triangle, 30% coverage up in the lakes area with highs in the mid to upper 80s. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 1 to 3 feet in your coastal marine forecast with a southeast wind at 5 to 10 knots. Water temperature is 80 degrees and a high tide tomorrow afternoon at 12:41. Our forecast for tonight, a 20% coverage and low temperatures in the lower 70s for the most part. Otherwise, a humid night. And then for tomorrow, about a 30 to 40% coverage, highs mid to upper 80s, except when you get the rain. When you get the rain, it'll knock you down into the lower 80s. Extended forecast, a yellow bar day coming up on Saturday. But tomorrow morning at roughly 6 a.m., we're expecting fairly quiet conditions for the Spindletop Spin with temperatures in the lower 70s. Sunday, a 50% coverage. Then Monday, we'll be watching an upper-level disturbance sweep on through. Lots of moisture will combine with this lift in the atmosphere created by this disturbance, and that will cause us a better chance of rain coming up Monday and Tuesday, ahead of a cold front that is due in Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. What you guessed it, more rain, but after the front passes, we are expecting a drier air mass to move on in, and that means a record low temperature is in jeopardy, Dave Hofford, Thursday morning, with low humidity, abundant sunshine, and a gorgeous Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Voila, after the rain, a little gift.
We're due, and we'll be due after that.
Okay, thank you, Patrick.